Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and in a previous video I showed you how I was constructing my file folder to use Cara Brandon's Pretty Florals, and now I've got my little file folder folio complete. I've got it wrapped with a seam binding closure, so you can just open that right up. And here in my first little pocket, I've got a journal card. Then when you flip that open, I used Cara Brandon's envelope and decorated it. These are Cara Brandon's tags, and I just went in and put some words on them that made me think of spring. So inside the envelope, we've got a couple of little cards to journal on. And behind the envelope, we've got 3 little tags that also have space on the back that you can journal on. Now you'll see I did not embellish these tags. I just gave them little fabric toppers, because by the time I was doing the tags, I had already embellished the journaling cards enough that my little folio was getting kind of thick. So I thought I better, and these tags were pretty decorative already, so I didn't feel the need to add more to them. Here I used Cara Brandon's banners and made a little top tuck with a journal card underneath. And we flip over this way, and I've got a little side tuck made with fabric, and I do have cardstock behind it just to give it a little bit of stiffness to actually hold. And another journal card. And then here we've got a very simple little journal. It has 28 pages total, front and back. Let's flip through this real quick. And what I did, so here we've got some avocado dyed paper, some children's handwriting paper, and then the other side of all of those things. So I left this very, very blank, but it is the baker's twine here is just holding it in, so it can come right out of the folio. That way it can be pulled out to make it easier to write in or to add embellishments to. And then it can just go right back in. And then back here, I just decorated the back with a little bit of napkin and lace and another label. And then on this side, we have another pocket with another journaling card. Then we flip over and come back around to this side, and I've got a fabric belly band with a journaling card in it. That was using Cara Brandon's postcard that was in the kit. And here I made a little corner tuck out of one of Cara's bingo cards, put a little bit of napkin on it, because I always think of bunnies during spring. And then we've got this little folio here. It's very simple, but it's got all the extra little embellishments and then the extra little labels that I had put words on that I didn't use in here, some of the tickets that I did not use. Anything that was left over, and on the tags I went ahead and just gave them fabric toppers as well. So all of these things could be used to embellish the little journal on the other side. And that tucks right in there. And then you flip over and you're back to the front. And you'll see right here, you can use, or you can see the baker's twine that is holding in the little journal. So I had a lot of fun putting this together. And the overall dimensions from the widest part here across is 5 inches, and it is, I forget now, 5 3/4 inches, about 5 3/4 inches tall. So that's it for the flip through of my little file folder folio. Please let me know what you think. I had so much fun doing this. I think all these papers are fabulous and very springy, so I had a lot of fun doing this. Until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.